welcome back to the channel. Um, as we have taken oath to return back to the community as part of our CSR program, we are trying to help the young breed of data scientists and data analytics with this particular program that we are launching. We have been doing this for almost a month now, month and a half so. And the program is about trying to provide a platform for all the young budding data science related subject related right career paths, whoever is coming into these career paths, whether it is data analytics, whether it is data scientists, whether it is machine learning related activities, whether it is data engineering related activities. So you are basically having an opportunity with us here to get exposed to the real world scenarios. That's right. This is a program where we offer you to work as an intern on a project. And this is completely free, friends. We are doing this as part of a community service program, as I just mentioned. Now, who are we? I am representing 360DigiTMG. This is the official website. You might want to explore this if you are not familiar with this organization. Just try and come here and explore it. We are into trainings and product development and consulting, of course, all the three. And our motto is to try and ensure we reach out to majority of the people with quality education. And this is my profile. I'll just look it up. My name is Sharath, and I'm one of the directors with Innodatatics and vice president at 360DigiTMG. I have more than 18 years of experience now, and I served the entire experience in the IT domain. I worked for the likes of Oracle Corporation. I was there with them for almost more than a decade now. And post that, I started getting into analytics. That's when I found special love with trying to do predictions, doing magic with data, providing insights to the customers and decision makers. And because of my technology related experience, it was easy for me to get involved into the technology that is driving the analytics and supporting the data. So I more or I should say I should be more inclined, that would be the right word. I'm more inclined towards data engineering and machine learning operations related activities and support the data scientists that are working in our organization. So this is a quick intro about me. And as part of this program, right, what we are basically giving is a platform, as I told, for all those people who are trying to get into the data analytics field or data science. The biggest challenge right now in the industry is a quality resource, right? A quality platform, a quality, I should say, a candidate who can be hired into the organization. That is lacking. It does not mean that you're not preparing well. It's completely not that statement. The problem is from an industry perspective, right? I am basically working in both the worlds. I'm an academician from my trainings experience perspective, and I'm industry person from my Innodatatics experience perspective, the consulting experience perspective. So what I see, what I observe is a lot of gap between industry and academy. And I'm pretty sure that is a very common statement that everybody basically tries to project. But what are we trying to do to bridge the gap between these two worlds? You are trained, fine, you got a lot of training, you're good with the training, but if I try and ask questions which are more practical oriented, then you would not be able to answer those questions. Yeah, I'm into doing a lot of interviews also. right? I can simply can tell who will be able to answer certain questions, who will not be able to answer certain questions by looking at their resume. So this is our contribution. We provide free internship. Okay, this is for a 30-day duration. It's a free program, right? So we provide a 30-day duration internship program, and this is your first step into the practical world. Okay, this is the foundation step, and you'll have to climb the stairs from here. This would expose you to world of new things. Now, as part of this internship, based on our experiences and best practices, we have split this into two phases. The first one would be the learning phase. Now, when I say learning phase, a majority of you people are already familiar with these concepts. Python, SQL, then data pre-processing related, data manipulation related code, machine learning development, supervised, unsupervised learning concepts, time series analysis, deep learning algorithms. How do you fine tune a model? So all of these are something you are familiar with. But from a practical perspective, how do you give the solution that you're developing to a customer who's already doing business? You cannot say, hey, stop everything and start using this, isn't it? So it has to be embedded, integrated into the existing system. Now, that is where this internship is also focusing. So the only prerequisite for this program, friends, is that you should be familiar with these concepts already. If you're new to these concepts, if you don't know these concepts, then you might want to register for another program that we are conducting on Fridays. We have two different internship programs. One is for newbies, completely newbies. This program that we are talking about, the other one that we are currently discussing, is for people, of course, newbies again, but people who are already familiar with the concepts of data science, machine learning, data analytics. Because in this program, we will only be focusing on the after effects, and after you develop, what should you do? So we use a terminology called deployment. So this internship program will focus on deploying your machine learning models, and after deploying, post-deployment activities. These are the two things that we will be focusing. And from a learning perspective, you will be learning a lot of new things, a lot of things that you're already familiar with, but practice is mandatory. So this this learning journey will take you to new concepts. You'll have first 20 days where you'll be learning Python, you'll be learning the data science, project management methodology concepts. Because you're talking about deployment and post-deployment activities, there should be certain process that we have to follow, right? So from that perspective, we will be teaching the best practices in the industry that you will have to follow when you are developing a data science solution, a machine learning solution. And then completely new model deployment strategies. We'll be talking about what exactly model deployment means, how you can do deployment, right? And various other additional concepts that you'll be learning as part of this session videos that you will be getting at 6 p.m. in the evening. So morning, afternoon, and night, right? Strategically, it is placed. And for every video, you should probably have 1 hour max video, right? It will not go beyond that. Maybe here and there you might have additional extra videos, but otherwise, on average, it is 1 hour video that you should be going, a maximum of 1 hour, I should say. After this video, you would have to also showcase that, yes, I have learned something. And for that, we will conduct an exam. Now, this exam that we are conducting is on the platform called LinkedIn. I'm pretty sure everybody is familiar with LinkedIn. How do we provide assessment on LinkedIn? Is it quiz? We are seeing a lot of quiz competitions being conducted on LinkedIn platform. Not really. They're not doing quiz anymore. There's no point in doing quiz because, right, a lot of students I know, you do inky, pinky, ponky and select the options. So that is not what we are here for. We want to impart the knowledge that, right, we have onto you. So for that, we are also very serious to evaluate how well you have learned. And from that perspective, the questions will be posted in such a way that we expect you to respond your answers in comment section. So for example, you look at this. Crisp MLQ, you have these questions. SQL, you have bunch of questions. Python, you have bunch of questions. And your answers should be like this in comments, right? If you look at this, there are there's a lot of people have started to contribute already onto this platform. Now, the advantage of conducting this on LinkedIn, right, is that when you are active on your LinkedIn profile, employers probably who are queuing up, lining up for conducting interviews and looking into evaluating the profiles, candidate profiles, they definitely look into the LinkedIn platform to do the evaluation. And if you're active and if you're posting relevant content on that platform, then automatically the employers, the HR people, the technical staff who's evaluating your profiles, they will get confidence. So from that perspective, so we're trying to address two issues here. One is your learning evaluation. The second thing is highlighting your profile, right? Trying to contribute to increase value for your profile over LinkedIn. Now, once this is done, the project phase begins and you'll have 10 days to complete the deployment and post-deployment activities. 10 days, is it good enough? You might say that, hey, this is completely new. Are 10 days good enough? Till now, we have conducted multiple projects. And I've never seen any student who's really committed, is not completing the task within the given deadlines. And of course, this is completely new. For that, we have an MLOps expert, industry expert, who is going to guide you. And for that, every day we will have a meeting for 15 minutes. And in that meeting, we'll be discussing the important things like what you have done, what challenges you faced, and what you are supposed to do. Activity, day-wise activities only will be discussed. Not diluting too many things, not bringing in too many things. To the point, focused approach will be there to ensure you complete, everyone, you complete the project on timelines. Once you're submitting everything, right? Once your project is done and once you're submitting your artifacts, you would be given a certificate like this. Completely free, friends. You can then again go into LinkedIn, social media platforms and flaunt your newfound skill set. This is basically what we're going to do, and the project will start tomorrow. Now, the question is, how do I participate? All you have to do is join the WhatsApp community. The link of that community is posted in the chat. You can just go to the chat, WhatsApp, YouTube chat, and connect to the WhatsApp community. In that community, we will be sharing the next step of action items, what you are supposed to do. There will be a registration link and all that if required. We'll share that also over the community. All the instructions, all the learning videos, everything will be there on that single platform. All right. So if you're serious, then try and grab this opportunity. It's a very good initiative, initialization for your industrial tour. Right. So it's a foundation step, as I told, first step. Of course, it's a small step, but it is something that you should take up. The next level, right? See, this is very important for you to start your journey. Right? Somewhere you have to start. Because if I talk about the success stories, right, if I scroll down, you probably have seen this success stories. So we basically have a lot of people who've joined reputed organizations, right? So you can see HCL, Capgemini, we talk about Novartis, Infosys, right? A lot of these people. So if I click on this download transition book, you'll get a PDF, and in this PDF we have the LinkedIn also provided. Okay, their links are also provided. People who have agreed to have their profiles publicly made available, with their consent, we put their details here. All right. You can directly connect with. And this document keeps updating. These are the first few people that we have. And right, so if you scroll down, there are new people who are getting added into this document. All right. Now, the advantage, as I told, right? These are people who have started like you and gaining the experience by working on various projects as starter freshers, as people coming from different domains, different organizations, different experiences. So they have jumped into different organizations and right, look at that. So big companies, the big fours, I should say. Yeah, big fours are there. I will take you to the YouTube link as well. Let me scroll down here if you see the YouTube link. The success stories are posted here. Okay, these are the success stories. So people again who agree to come online and share their experiences, we connect with them and conduct these kind of sessions where they share their experiences, how they prepared, what did they do, right? What kind of questions that are asked in their interviews. Using that knowledge, how did they move ahead? What they're currently doing, right? All these things are discussed in this particular sessions. So you might want to subscribe, not just success stories, right? There's more to this platform. If you look at the live sessions, I'll click on live. You can basically see that we conduct a lot of new technology related sessions, and these are absolutely free. For example, Rapid Miner. This is a very, very wonderful tool, a platform for performing analytics, right? Machine learning implementations. And there is no code, zero code or no code. And this is something that industries are looking out for, right? Absolutely free program. You might want to join, register and join and understand how this Rapid Miner program works. And this would be a new skill set in your resume, right? Live sessions, friends. Pharma, if you are coming from pharma background, pharmacy background, then how data analytics can be implemented in that pharma analytics industry. All right, so this way we have a lot of programs that we are conducting. All right, resume building sessions, etc., etc. These are all the sessions that you would probably take the advantage. All right, so don't wait on, friends. Grab the opportunity when it is around. And yeah, share the information. It is completely free. Share it with your friends and family members, and right, that would basically be a good thing to do. And let us grow and let others also grow. Right, it's the concept. And sharing is caring. So we will share our knowledge. You in turn try to share whatever you have learned to your colleagues and friends. Thank you so much for attending the session and looking forward to work with you all, friends, and good luck. Good evening, everyone.